Phonex is Android operating system. By using the Phonex operating system on your Windows 10, you are able to play PUBG and add balls and other Android games. Now it's time to download the Phonex operating system. Opening Google Chrome. I'm searching for this. Just I click on this. You can see here that the screenshot of PUBG and other Android games are here. Click on the Phonex OS 3.0 Gaming Fun 3.0 Big Screen OS and wait for a while. Yeah, this is the home screen. These are the direct links. So the packages are, I said that we are going to install exe file for Windows, and I'm not downloading for Google, I'm downloading from Mega. Click on the Mega. Now this is the screen. Phonex OS installer 3.6.1.0 and this is 64-bit the file is. So I'm downloading this, and now the download has been started. You can see this is initializing and the download has been started. Guys, the Phonex has been downloaded successfully from Mega. Now I'm going to my default downloading folder, that is download. Here you can see that this is the Phonex OS which is downloaded. Let's check its size. So it's 634 MB. Now I'm going to install this Phonex operating system. So now you should carefully see the steps how to install Android, that is Phonex, on your Windows 10. This is very important to properly install a Phonex operating system. It's not too difficult, it's easy. So this is the first step. Please select install type, whether you want to install or make a U disk or uninstall. So I want to install. I just click on the install, and you have to select the partition where do you want to install it. So I'm just reading it. Install Phonex OS to hard disk. Please select target disk, and Phonex OS will be installed to Phonex folder of the target disk. So if you are installing this Phonex on the partition where Windows is already, so it does not matter, it do not delete the files of Windows. So I am just installing this Phonex in the partition C where already my Windows 10 exists. It does not create problems to Windows 10, and it does not delete the files of Windows 10. So I click next. This is the C, and you have to allocate the size. If you want to allocate a 4 GB size to Phonex, you can also do this and add GB, 16 GB and 32 GB. So you should select the size depending on the size of your C. I check the size of the C. I have a 72.7 GB free space in partition C, so I can easily give 32 GB to this Phonex operating system. So I click on 32 GB and click install. So it will take 2 to 5 minutes with normal configuration. It depends on the on your selection. Either you have selected 4 GB size, 8 GB, 16 GB, or 32 GB. If the more the size is, the longer it will take to install, because it allocates space of your partition to the Phonex operating system. So keep waiting for this until it is installed. Remember, I will install this OS, and I will install different games like PUBG and 8 ball pools, and I'll show you. I will play these games and I'll show you, and you will enjoy this Android on your Windows. And so remember to like my channel, and please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. The Phonex installation has been completed. Now we are going to restart our PC. Click on the restart. Now the PC is getting restart. Select English as your language.